lights are out and you stumble in the dark. You kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost, everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault. Just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you, don't forget it. When life feels lost, just call me. Just call me. Just call me. You're stronger now than you ever been. You gotta leave now, it's time to catch the wind. You will climb up high and look through the clouds, and when you're feeling low, I know you'll bounce back.
Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today is another special day because for the very first time, we are featuring a home here in North Las Vegas. When I was driving by, I saw a lot of restaurants and also parks. There's a lot of parks here. So I am pretty excited to feature a home for the very first time on this channel here in North Las Vegas. And we are inside Lennar's home. And this home has a next gen, total of 2,960 square feet. So that's 2,960 square feet of home. That's very spacious. They have a next gen with a private entrance. So this is ideal for you guys who have parents or in-laws or friends that you wanted to be separated from your main house. So I'm pretty excited, guys. Also, Lennar has this trademark of everything's included. And before we proceed, let us do three things. Let us subscribe to this channel, let us like this video, and you are very welcome to share this video to your family and friends. That will be really appreciated so that they can see this kind of home. And after this video, you may want to check out my channel page. There is a playlist there per builder so that you can check out the different builders that I've already toured so far on this channel. All right, guys, let's do this. Let's tour this home together. Okay, guys, this is the home. This is with a next gen. Let's check this beautiful home. We have your two-car garage here. Nice pavers there. This is a lot of home. Approximately 2,960 square feet. It's a really nice stonework there. Oh, that's nice. You have like this large covering here before entering the house. You can actually put like seating arrangement there if you want. Yeah, this is a nice one because you have this covering area here, covered area before entering the house. This is the VERBENA. Oh, wow. So upon entering the house, I can see already a very open floor plan, but there's something going on this side. Okay, so I'm seeing a half bathroom, really convenient, right immediately on the left side of the home. You can access your half bathroom. Hello, guys. So yeah, this is really nice. And then I think this might be the garage. See how they don't allow people to go inside? And that one has a future car charger outlet for your electric car. Okay, so let's check out your main living area. You have a mini foyer here. And then this is a tall ceiling, guys. As you can see, there is this stairs there. And then really tall ceiling when you're entering this house. Okay, let's check out your main living area. Okay, so this is a very open one. There's a door there, which most likely is the next gen. This is a very straightforward design because you have your living room area here, you have your television area here, and then you have your dining area here, right? And then the kitchen is there. So it's really very straightforward. And then there is your backyard there, but I'm not sure if we can open it. We can try. Okay, so I am at the very corner of this dining room area. And let's check out in detail your kitchen. Okay, so you have, I believe this might be your pantry area. You have your refrigerator there. They use this nice stonework here for your backsplash. So everything's included except for the upgrades on the backsplash and the flooring. And then they use this really nice quartz. Okay. And then this is your water filtration system, which Lennar is definitely good at because they normally include that. Okay, so it's a very straightforward design. As you can see, you can talk to everyone here, right? When you're talking, you can definitely hear each other. Okay, so before we go up, let's check out what's happening on this side. Okay, so you have a really very spacious coat closet there. Okay, I believe we're entering the next gen. This might be what? I don't know. This might be a garage entrance. Could be. It's closed. I cannot open it. Oh wow. So your whoever is going to stay here, it looks like they have their own home. The only thing that you cannot put here is your built-in stove, but you already have your refrigerator, microwave, kitchen, right? Meaning the sink. So what people do after they move in, they buy this electric, those that are not built in, they buy those electric stove so that they can cook here as well. Those that are not built in. Okay. This might be the entrance on the side yard from the garage. I mean, not from the side. Yeah, it is. Look at this, guys. Let me go. Yeah, so see there, that's the entrance to the side of the house, on the left side facing the house. And then I think we can go to the backyard later using this path. Right? So yeah, so this is the VERBENA Next Gen Suites. So you can definitely have your parents here live, or your guests, or maybe rent this out. Right? You can close that door and then rent this entire space to someone you know, right? Or even someone that you don't know. As long as you can close the door there, they have private access. Because also they have the full bath here, right? Okay, so that's good. Hello guys. And let's check out what's happening here. Ooh, this is the bedroom. Okay, so you have a bedroom here, of course. And then, I don't know if this is an access to the backyard. Yes, it is. And yeah, they normally close it. So we cannot enter there, but we'll get to the side entrance later. Okay, so this is very good because this is a large. Let me open the lights here. So this is a very good setup because this is a large closet area. Plus, you have your own laundry area here so that you don't have to share it on with the main house. So yeah, this is complete except of course for the stove, right? Which is not allowed for built-in, but definitely you can buy those that are not built in. And they can still cook here. There's a lot. You know, when I was living in Maryland, I have a basement and I lived in the basement and I was cooking with my own stove there that is not built in. Okay, let's check out what's happening to the upper floor. You can definitely upgrade this into a hardwood if you want it to be much more cleaner looking. Oh wow, they have a loft. Look at this, guys. They were able to put a loft area because this is almost 3,000 square feet of house, so that makes sense. This is also a very spacious loft. Look at this. You can have your kids here watch their movies before sleeping to bed or do their homework. That's, I believe, is the the primary bedroom, but let's check out first what's happening to your secondary. So you have this full bathroom here. Hello guys. So this is very ideal because you can close that door, someone can shower, and then someone can use the sink. Very efficient setup. And you have a very spacious, oh, I didn't even turn on the lights. It's automatic. I like that. Okay, so that is your very, very spacious laundry area. You can put like cabinetry there if you want. And this is your first secondary bedroom that we looked at, aside from the next gen, of course. Okay, this is a very inspirational quote, guys. The only person you're destined to become is the person you decide to be. Right? Very, very motivational. Okay. That's your first secondary bedroom, and then let me open the lights. It's very kind of dark in here, right? I would suggest you really have to put like recessed lighting or like a chandelier to make it more brighter. But this is, because the lights that you have here are the, this one, the blinds. Okay, so that's your light, except for the lampshades there. That's your closet. Okay, so we saw 2 secondary bedrooms and then full bathroom, sorry, and then the laundry. And now we're entering your primary bedroom. Okay, this is a very spacious one. As you can see, this is a very wide nightstand there. And I like that I'm seeing a balcony. And I don't know if we can enter it, so let's see. Yes, we are. The only suggestion that I have to make it more interesting is to put a railing here. Right? You can put like a railing here so that it is much more interesting. And that is your backyard. Very spacious. I like that you have a balcony on your primary bedroom. Okay, let's check out what's happening to your bathroom. Okay, so you have your toilet area here. And then you have your closet area. All right, you can put cabinetry here to make it more larger in appearance, and you can use a lot of storage spaces if you have cabinetry. Okay, so you have two sinks, very large. Look, guys. Yeah, this is a very large one. Then you have your bathtub there. These are very standard looking. You can definitely make this very interesting by, upgrading this to a very nice wall tile. You already have the frosted glass there so that no one can see you from outside. There's a makeup area here for the ladies, right? You can put your seating arrangement there. And this is a very spacious linen closet or towel area. You can put a lot of towels there, no doubt. Okay, pretty straightforward design, but I like the balcony though. This is probably those that make sense in houses nowadays, because you want to make sure you get some fresh air upon waking up. Okay, so let's go back downstairs. This is how you go down, guys. Again, guys, thank you so much for all of your support to the channel. This channel is growing really fast, and that is because of your continued support. Thank you for watching, for writing a comment, for liking the videos, and also for sharing this video to your family and friends. Really, really appreciate it. Before we forget, let's check out your backyard, right? Because I cannot enter from the main door going out, so we'll have to go from this side of the house. Okay. So we're gonna go on this side of the house so we can check out your backyard and see how it looks like. Oh wow, this is a very spacious backyard, guys. You can definitely put a huge pool here. Yeah, see how it takes me a while to get to the end of this backyard? This is how big it is. Okay, so you have a very, very big backyard, and that's how it looks like from the exterior back of the house. Yeah, this is definitely big. You can enjoy this backyard with your family and friends. You have a seating arrangement there, have a barbecue, swimming pool. You can do a lot on this kind of backyard, which is really, really. That's your AC, double AC. Yeah, so this is a really, really huge backyard. Love the greenery. And that's the entrance from the next gen. Okay, so we're going back inside the house. They already have a paver here, so it's easier to walk from the side going inside your next gen. This is awesome. All right, guys, again, thank you so much for all of your support. We are growing really fast because of your continued support. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the entire tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to write your comments down below. What do you think of this beautiful home? And also subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share this video to your family and friends. You are very welcome to share this video. And also check out the channel page. There's a lot of home tours there, and there is a playlist per builder so that you'll have an easier time searching for the right builder for you. Again, guys, I appreciate your support to the channel. Really appreciate it. This channel is growing because of your continued support, and thank you for watching my videos, and I hope you a great and amazing day today.